Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss about Python data types. So built-in data types. In programming, data type is an important concept. Variables can store data of different types and different types can do different things. Python has the following data types built in by default in these categories: text type, str, so string; numeric types, integer, float, complex; sequence type, list, tuple, range; mapping type, dictionary; set type, set, frozen set, boolean. Okay, these are the data types. Getting the data type, you can get the data type of any object by using the type function. So print the data type of the variable x. If you see here, x equals 5, print type x, so class integer. And then setting the data type. In Python, the data type is set when you assign a value to a variable. So x equal to hello world. So when you assign hello world to the x, so it's now it's being defined as str, right? So this is the thing. X equal 20, so this will be defined as integer. This will be as double. Okay, this will be float. There is no double, float. And then okay, so let's just try them, right? So this is integer, this is float, and 1j what is complex, right? Complex, 1j complex. And then x equal apple, banana, cherry. Okay, apple, banana, cherry, class list. Okay, so x is apple, banana, cherry, and then this is a list, right? Display x. Okay, so if you say this type, okay, print type x, then it's a list anyway. And then let's see, this is a tuple. Tuple is written in this way with the first bracket, and list is with the second bracket, right? So apple, banana, cherry, class tuple, right? So print x, display the data type of x, print type x. Okay, and then range 6. Okay, so what is here? Range 0, 10. Okay, convert to list to display the content of x. So print list x, then the whole list is displayed here. Okay, so list is there. Okay, this is tuple. Range is also a data type. And then dict, right? Dict. Okay, name John, age 36. So if you want to know the type, then you will get dict. So these are the thing. These are a lot of things, but we can't memorize in a single day. We have to practice them again and again. Maybe we will whenever we go in to do some projects, we will get use of them, right? And then apple, banana, cherry. Okay, apple, banana, cherry, this is set, right? So we need to understand the set, tuple, and list, right? These are the different things, but they look similar, right? So in the first for the time being, for now, we will just realize that list is with the third bracket, tuple is with the first bracket, and set is with the second bracket, right? But we will understand them later, maybe some other day. Frozen set. Okay, so this is frozen set. We will just get the type here. Okay, so we will try to understand the difference of them, right? X equals true, so this is boolean. X will be hello, it's bytes, bytes. So these are the things we have of data types of Python. So we will try to understand the difference among them, right? So we need to focus on list, tuple, dict, set, frozen set, right? So what we will do, tuple uh, list set frozen set ticked, right? Frozen set set ticked, right? Baba. Okay, so we're just giving a query to ChatGPT list ordered keeps the order of elements. Mutable, you can change elements, add or remove. Duplicates allowed. My list 1 2 3 4 print list my list. Okay, so if you see the output 1 2 3 4 4 3 3 4 after append 1 2 3 3 4 5. Okay, changing element my list 0. It's like array, right? But order keeps the order. Keeps the order, cannot change elements, tuple. So let's just if we just see their meaning, then we may tuple meaning a data structure contains multiple parts. What is tuple meaning in English? If you say a tuple is an ordered finite list of elements like numbers or items. Anyway, um, so this is ordered, right? Cannot change elements, duplicates allowed. 1 2 3 3 4 tuple my tuple. So you see 1 2 3 3 4. So you cannot change elements. Okay, set unordered, no specific order. There is no specific order. Mutable, you can add or remove elements, no duplicate. My set 1 1 2 2. Okay, so you see here we want 1 2 2 3 3 4. This is set, but when you print it you say 1 2 3 4. So duplicates are not allowed here in set. No specific order. So my set dot add. If you add, uh, you can add or remove, but no duplicates, right? Frozen set unordered, no specific order, cannot add or remove elements, no duplicates. So here also no duplicate allowed. One you see 1 2 3 3 4. So 1 2 3 4 is the output. My frozen set. Okay. Uh, okay. So you cannot add or remove elements from here too. But there are so many things. 5 4 5 6 categories. So maybe we may not remember them. Okay, so we have to be used to with them. We have to use them in some other projects, or maybe then this would be okay. Okay, unordered, no specific order. Immutable, cannot add or remove elements, right? Okay, so let's just see frozen set. Dictionary unordered, Python keeps insertion today. You can change, add or remove pre-value pairs. Keys are unique. Okay, values can be duplicates. Use key value pairs. Okay, so name, age 25, dictionary mydic. Okay, so we just got some idea, and we will have to come back to this later. We'll have to do this, practice these things again and again, otherwise this you'll forget, guys. Okay, there are so many data types in Python: list, tuple, dictionary, set, frozen set, These are the important things, right? So thank you for watching. We will learn something new tomorrow. Okay.